Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about Amazon EC2 Mac instance. What is this and how is it different from other instance and how does it work? And you all know about this that Amazon recently launched their Mac instance in the EC2 instance. So we will discuss and cover all these things about Mac instance. So if you are new on our channel, so please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more update first. So let's start. What is today's agenda? What is AWS EC2 Mac instance? Features and benefit of AWS EC2 Mac instance. AWS EC2 Mac instance available today in which region? How to create AWS EC2 Mac instance? So let's start. What is AWS EC2 Mac instance? AWS Mac instance available enable customers to run on demand Mac OS workload in the cloud for the first time, extending the flexibility, scalability, and cost benefit of AWS to all Apple developer. With EC2 Mac instance, developers creating app for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, Apple TV, and Safari can provision and access Mac OS environments within minutes, dynamically scale capacity as needed, and benefit from AWS pay as you go pricing. EC2 Mac instances are built on Apple Mac mini computers featuring Intel Core i7 processors and offer customer a choice of both Mac OS Mojave 10.14 and Mac OS Catalina 10.15 operating system with the support for Mac OS Big Sur 11.0 coming soon. So recently Mac instance announced on AWS instance EC2 instance. So recently there are two types of operating system. First is Mojave and second is Catalina. And third is end of this December next year they will launch them Mac OS Big Sur. So recently we have a two operating system Mac Mojave and Mac OS Catalina. What is history? Announcing AWS EC2 Mac instance for Mac OS November 30, 2020. Use Amazon EC2 Mac instance to build and test Mac OS, iOS, iPad OS, TV OS and Watch OS apps. Features and benefit of AWS EC2 Mac instance. Firstly, we will see benefit of AWS EC2 Mac instance. First, quickly provision Mac OS environment. Time and resource previously spent building and maintaining on-premise Mac OS environment can now be refocused on building creative and useful apps. Development team can now seamlessly provision and access Mac OS compute environment to enjoy convenient distributed testing and fast app builds, bringing additional choice to develop so they can use Mac as their trusted platform on premise or in the cloud. EC2 Mac instance offload the heavy lifting that comes with managing infrastructure to AWS, which means Apple developer can focus entirely on building great applications, means apps. Second is reduce cost. EC2 Mac instance allow developer to launch Mac OS environment within minute, adjust provision capacity as needed, and only pay for actual uses. With AWS pay as you go pricing, developers save money since they only need to pay for the system that are in use. For example, more capacity can be used when building an app and less capacity when testing. Suppose you are testing any app, so you need to less capacity server. So you can create an instance on Mac and you can test it with the less capacity. You will have to pay minimum price for the creating an instance for less capacity Mac OS, and you have to build an application where lots of traffic comes on your application where you need to get more capacity server, so where you can create a more capacity servers and they can handle all the traffic as well as extend your toolkits. EC2 Mac instance provide developer with seamless access to dozens of AWS service, so they can more easily and efficiently collaborate with team members and develop, build, test, analyze, and improve their apps. Similar to other EC2 instance, customer can easily use EC2 Mac instance together with AWS services and features like AWS Virtual Private Cloud (VPC) for network security. Amazon Elastic Block Storage, which known as a EBS for expandable storage. Amazon Elastic Load Balancer ELB for distributing build queues. Amazon FSX for scalable file storage, and AWS System Manager SSM for configuring, managing, and patching Mac OS environments. Now we know about the features of AWS EC2 Mac instance. Build an Apple Mac hardware. Amazon EC2 Mac instance are built on Apple Mac mini computer. Feature 8th generation 3.2 GHz, 4.6 GHz turbo Intel Core i7 processor with 6 physical, 12 logical core and 32 GB of memory. Enabled by AWS Nitro system. The AWS Nitro system is a rich collection of building blocks that offload many of traditional software-defined functions to be dedicated hardware and software to deliver high performance, high availability, and high security. Amazon EC2 instances are uniquely enabled by the AWS Nitro system, which make it possible to offer Mac mini computers as fully integrated and manage EC2 instance to provide 10 Gbps of VPC network bandwidth and 8 Gbps of EBS storage bandwidth. Scaled on highly reliable infrastructure. EC2 Mac instances are designed so that customer can build critical application with confidence. AWS has the most secure, extensive, and reliable global infrastructure for running workloads that require high availability and is recognized as an industry leader for uptime standards. EC2 Mac instance enable your Mac OS workload to benefit from the scale, elasticity, reliability, and experience that AWS secure on-demand infrastructure has offered to millions of customers for more than decade. AWS EC2 Mac instance available today in which regions? EC2 Mac instances are available today in US East, which known as Virginia, US East Ohio, US West Oregon, EU Ireland, and Asia Pacific Singapore. AWS region as EC2 dedicated host with a minimum host allocation duration of 24 hours. EC2 Mac instances are available for purchase on demand or as a part of saving plan 1 year and 3 year. Product detail. By default, the product detail is launched by the AWS for the AWS EC2 Mac instance, which is there. Instance size is Mac1.metal. vCPU is maximum 12, memory 32 GB. Instance storage is EBS only. Network bandwidth Gbps 10, EBS bandwidth Mbps 8000, EBS IOPS 16K block 80,000. It is a now by default available only one product detail, which is this. So there is no any other option such as a free tier, free. So you can't use. You have to create if Mac instance. So you will have to select either you will select or not. It is a by default selected and other option is not available for the Mac instance. So let's move on another. How to create AWS EC2 Mac instance. Firstly, what we'll have to do? Firstly, we'll have to log in on AWS console and click on service. After that, you will have to click on EC2, and then you will have to click on launch instance, which is here. You can see here launch instance. When you click here, the launch instance will come and you will have to click there. After that, you will have to select one of them operating system, whether you want to select Catalina or Mozilla. So you will have to select, you can select operating system from here by clicking the select. After that, you will get the option here, the product detail, which I recently told you. There is only one option available, Mac1.metal 12 CPU, and another option is not available for that. So after, you will have to click on review and launch. After the clicking on review and launch, you will review your product. After that, you will have to click on the launch and your instance will be created successfully on your console. So let's move on the practical, and we will see in the practical that how to create the EC2 Mac instance. So let's move. As you can see that I am already logged in on my AWS console. So let's see that how to create an EC2 Mac instance on AWS console. So make sure that you have select availability reason, that where EC2 Mac instance is available. So I recently told you that there are 4 reasons where you can create an EC2 Mac instance. So I am creating my EC2 instance, a Mac instance in Virginia. After that, we'll go on service. Will have to click on EC2. After that, you will get an option to click on launch instance. You will have to click on launch instance, where you will get 2 options to create Mac OS, such as a Catalina and Mozilla. So I am going to select on Catalina. So you can select one of them. Here you will get the instance type option, where you can see that there are lots of instance type, but there is no option to select one of them. There is only one product type which is already selected by default. It is already selected here, and after that, if you want to do more configuration, so you will have to click here the configure instance detail, where there is 3 options will be available, such as a configure instance type, add storage, add tag, and security, configure security group. And whether you want to create by default, which is done by the AWS, so you can here review and launch. So I'm going to click here review and launch. Here you can review your instance which you have selected, that you have selected the Mac Catalina option. Instance type is here, security group here you have not selected, so you can go back and you can select here edit. You want to do go from security group option, so you can click here edit instance detail, edit storage detail, and edit tag. After that, what do you have to do? You have to click on launch, and your EC2 instance will be launched as a Mac operating system. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thanks for watching. Please support us on Patreon.